How to fix quick access menu missing in Windows. 1. Update your Windows. 2. Clear File Explorer history. 3. Enable every sub-item under navigation pane in folders options. 4. Repin all quick access items. To do so, run these commands as admin. del/f/q% of data %Microsoft \_Windows \_recent \del/f/q% of data %Microsoft \_Windows \_recent \automatic destinations \del/f/q% of data %Microsoft \_Windows \_recent \custom destinations \5. Perform an in-place repair using an ISO file from MS website.